Tilt shift is an effect that gives the illusion of full scale. For example, a whole city can look like a toy when the effect is done right. Ideally, for the perfect tilt shift effect, some things need to be done at capture time, like using special camera lenses called the tilt shift lens that distort the perspective. This is where the term came from. But don't worry, here we will assume you just got a regular image without any special lenses. You can still get good results. There are many aspects to tilt shift, but a big one that can be done at edit time is the field of view blur. As shallow blur usually only happens at micro scale, so creating a shallow blur at a large scale gives the sense of smallness regardless of the actual size. To make this effect, pick an image with a bit of a height. I'll be using this image by Pedro Lastra. Now the image is a bit big for my needs. I need it about half this size. So use the resize node to 50%. Looks good. Now I can work with this directly, so I can change it later if I need it, but I know that I won't. So click Ctrl R. This will give the resized image its own node. Now I can delete the full size and the resize nodes. Great. Now to create the blur effect, we will make use of the strength-based blur. So connect the photo to both a blur and a gradient. Then connect the gradient to the strength input of the blur and increase the blur to a pretty high value. You already can kinda start to see the effect, but at the wrong place. So click on the gradient and open it. Then add a point at the center by double-clicking on it. Then change its color to black and change the edge points to white. Looks good. Now you can control where the focus is by moving the middle point. Now to change the range, you can either move the handles or create another center point for more control if you need it. A common tilt shift effect is a sort of vignette effect, where the outside of the focus area is darker than the inside. It is a rather artistic effect than a physically accurate one. But in practice, we use it as it can help guide the audience eyes where you want them to look. Adding this effect is very simple. Invert the gradient and mix it with the image. Several blend modes can work here, like multiply, normal, overlay, and soft light blends, depending on the image. In this case, I like the look of the soft light with 30% opacity the most. We are almost done. You can easily add a quick noise effect by creating a pixel noise and mixing it with the image with a really low opacity. And that's it. Your tilt shift effect is done. Here's the before and after. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. You can find more tutorials or download and try Karaz yourself at karazjam.com. See you next time and take care.